talk. What's your name?
I'm Tasin Ullah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Peshawar.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer and freelancer.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yeah, I love being creative every day.
Are you working remotely or at the office?
I work remotely from home.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy photography, sketching, and editing.
Favorite game to play?
PUBG is my go-to game.
Do you like sports?
Yes, cricket and football are my favorites.
What team do you support?
I support Peshawar Zalmi.
Do you watch Netflix?
Occasionally, mostly when I need to relax.
Got a favorite movie?
The message really left an impact on me.
What kind of music do you like?
I like Pashto music and calm background tracks.
Got a favorite artist? Do you
Rahat Fateh Ali Khan is my favorite.
play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn the rabab.
Got any siblings?
Yes, 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Do you have any pets? Do
Not at the moment, but I love birds.
you like to travel?
I absolutely love traveling.
Where do you want to go someday?
Turkey and Saudi Arabia are at the top.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually chill with friends or family.